Alright, so everybody, welcome to Sema. So we're going to try to show you some things you normally don't see on the channel. It's not all going to be four-wheel drives or trucks. There's going to be quite a bit of that. We've got a big surprise for you at the end. A custom build just for Sema. So follow along and we'll try to show you some pretty cool rides. And you gotta love stuff like this. Dirty Life's off-road buggy. That's some nice TIG welds. We did a nice job welding that up on the arms, right down to the stainless exhaust. Daddy Dave's there. And you always got to get a picture of the Sema sign. We met up with Bob and Chuck with the Jeep Talk Show. Chuck was doing an interview with iHeartRadio. There's a lot of nice looking rigs out here as well. Baja Design set up. And there's really how I started. Tube buggy. I had a long back Chinaworth. It was a lot of fun. Out and stumbled upon the Jeep booth here. It's 4xe Grand Cherokee. Remember that from EJS. CJ Surge model. Interesting electric motor there. Followed up by the whole battery section. If you like the new vets, nice Magnus's set up there. They got the thing shoehorned in there. This trailer here, it pops up and it's got this expandable tent on it. There's a Let's Go arrow. And then this keeps you dry from the inside. And if you like Tundras, a nice setup right here. And we got this 31 100% custom here, twin turbo front. That thing's beautiful. Interesting color. If you like trucks, as everybody wants right there.
Great assembly.
From your 1,000 horsepower. Then as you first walk in, you're going to find plenty of, I'll call them bro trucks, big trucks, future trucks. Interesting setup here. Kind of like the near lawn chair-ish seats in it. But the trucks only get bigger and broier, if you will, from here. And everyone knows Gridlock from YouTube. All right, I gotta get over and check out that buggy. That's kind of where this all started for me. Volkswagen. Thing's pretty flexed out as well. Rear steer. It's quite the build.
I was ahead. I said, good night. I said, okay. I said, going all in. I'm going to T-shirt.
I think that thing's flexed out of almost 6 foot. This is a nice truck from Creative Wraps. I'm assuming it's probably a drift setup. Twin turbo. I assume diesel. Don't know my diesel very well. So this was built by Greg Henderson with unofficial use only, with Quadratech and Tread Lightly as part of the 50 for 50 cleanups in 50 states. We did get to go by a shop at one point, and this thing was in pieces, but this started out life as a 4-door 4xe. Pretty nice setup. You would never have thought that it was a 4-door that was converted over to a pickup. Looks like it rolled right off the showroom floor. Interesting truck here. Kind of made it look like a small semi. A lot of nice work in there. And if you like little rat rods, PRA booth, Clay Milliken here. Oh, if you like cool trucks, we're in the McGuire's booth here. That thing is outstanding. Rubicon Anniversary Edition, $392. Good looking rig. It's good. It's still keeping the magneto alive. It still has the manual stick in it, but it's really just a selector. Actually, Jim Morrison from Jeep talked about that in one of the Zoom rooms from the Jeep Talk Show. There's a whole section here also on machining, work holding, tools, Autodesk. It's a little bit of everything at Sema. Our next purchases, plasma table. And then if you want an auto top for your Bronco, or if you want one for your Jeep, you want auto top, they make my top here has got one for both. So here's a pretty cool little truck that polished body on it. It's a nice build. Alright, so that's been another Sema show. A lot of great cars, drifting, trucks, a little bit of everything. Sema never disappoints. Hope you enjoyed the show, and I'll see you in this next adventure.